Hola, señorita, ¿cómo estás?
Everything's plugged in, nothing's missing.
Alright, we're good to go.
Possibly.
I hope it works.
Yeah. Alrighty, go ahead. Here's the first start.
Ready to rock and roll?
Let's do it.
Alrighty.
Oh, take two. Okay, so now that Andy just smoked us out of the fucking garage, thanks Andy. Obviously that first start was not how it's going to sound because the fuel injectors aren't even dialed in yet, but we just wanted to start it to make sure everything is running okay and everything's pretty much put back together the way it's supposed to be. So once we dial in the fuel injectors, it's gonna obviously start up a lot easier and it's gonna be a more smooth idle, I guess, really.
Yeah, it'll be a little bit.
It's not gonna fight, you know, for...
Yeah, I mean, it'll still sound like that, though. I mean, it'll still...
Oh, yeah, it's still gonna have that sound.
Have a good rumble to it.
Right.
And stuff,
So now...
Then the 200 shot of nitrous goes on, and the twin turbos, and yeah, then we should be making at least 350 horsepower, give or take.
Here we have the old heat exchanger versus the new heat exchanger. And you can see the size difference in thickness. Old, new. Like I said, there's a noticeable difference. I mean, it's like almost, it's like 3 times the size. Okay, so now that we have everything pretty much back together, we're going to set up the fuel injectors, and Andy is doing that right now on HP Tuners.
God, it's hard to hold this fucking thing. It's hard to hold this fucking thing. Motherfucker!
You want me to help you?
Damn it. You're videotaping, sir. You're the cinematographer. I'm gonna step on your bumper. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that.
Fucking big ass bumper.
You have one more stool to go, you know.
Huh?
Alrighty, so we got the car back together.
Sound good?
Oh yeah, dude.
There you go.
Dude, I barely touched the gas.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, Andy?
How you doing? With the power of Sprite, we've made this Camaro 20 more horsepower more than it had before. Nah, the cam's done. The supercharger's all back together again. Everything is done. It's filled up. Blah, 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 blah. We just got to finish up the tune. That's about it now at this point. So tomorrow, final tune, wide open throttle. See how slow this sucker is. Because, you know, speed limit's only 55, guys. So gotta keep it clean. But, yeah, sounds good. Hope you like it.
Oh, I think I do. See that wheel gap in the front?
Oh, there's still a jack on the other side.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought...
That was a lightweight cam, so it lifted your front suspension.
Oh, that's what the lift means.
Yeah,
that's what the lift
Where do you
means.
think the horsepower comes from, dude? It doesn't come from the cam profile, it comes from the lightweight cam. That's why your front end's so up. Okay, listen, I lied. I'm sorry.